Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sync your Notion calendar to your Google Calendar. So it's pretty simple. So head on to tosync.com and start automating now. From there you will have your Google Calendar right here with Notion. So from there all you have to do is connect your Google Calendar, of course, and then use your Google account, continue and all, select all and then continue. From there you will have to proceed from there. So you'll have to fetch your database from here. So all you have to do is um, connect to, and then let's just for to sync Notion. Oh, I think it's already automatic. So yeah, I think yeah, it's automatic now. So now it's connected. Now we connected with Notion right here. So it gives us access to our Notion, and then use template provided by template provider. Then it will connect to Notion right here, as you can see. So this will be very effective and easy when it comes to connecting your database. And then you'll just have to continue, and then right here just do a two-way sync, and then you'll just have to customize your preference right here, and then you'll have to do the rest, which is pretty simple. So there you go guys, this is how you sync your Notion calendar using the two-way sync. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.